This car, I'll replace battery and then hybrid active. Now we start the car. See? Yes, all is good. Okay. This car now is okay. It's going reverse. Okay. And then going forward. Yeah, all is done. Okay, good. All is good.
ठीक है साहब जी।
Yes.
यदि ये कोड आ रहा है उसकी पिक्चर ले दे।
Okay. You see there, and then car is start now. Yes. All is done. Is good, and replace battery. Replace battery. It can now is good. The car is done. Battery is damaged. Yeah, battery is not good. And replace battery. Make programming, and then the car is good. Now I'm change battery. Now is active hybrid, and let's see. Car was charged. The system is working. Car is ready. Is active hybrid 7 series. Yeah, now is ready. Working condition now is good.